Have you ever wanted to buy a house? What do you think? Is it a question worth asking? How about, should I buy a house? Or can I afford to buy a house? If you're questioning yourself, then you should definitely watch this video because it talks about Brooklyn Penthouse, Henry Joost and Sofia Delia seek serious buyer. Of course, it's not too late yet to purchase your own beautiful house and make your dream come true. There's a lot of questions that our friend is likely wondering. Buying a house can be a very exciting and daunting process. We want to make sure that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. We can help you find the perfect house for your needs and budget. We also have years of experience in the real estate industry, so we can provide you with sound advice. Luckily for you, TTP member, this is a video that discusses the celebrity and his home. We have created a video that will show you some of the features of the homes we have found. In addition, we will provide you with an answer to any questions you may have. So if you're looking to buy a home, please watch our video and let us know if there's anything we can do to help. Our team of experts know the ins and outs of the housing market and can guide you to the best option for your needs. We can provide you with a variety of information and resources so that you can make an informed decision. But before diving in, let's first know who Sofia Delia and Henry Joost are. American actress Sofia Delia is well known for her roles in films and television shows. She performed T. Marcello in the comedy Sabrina in the Fox comedy series Skins, the Mick, Sage, and Andrea Cornish from The Night Off in the well-liked Gossip Girl series Spence, as well as perform in a production of Usual on Broadway. Girls who are also members of the Roundabout Theater Company as a science fiction program project Almanac. Sofia received a pension for wacky, crazy, and carefree music characters. Along with acting, she has experimented with comedy. Amazing results were obtained from The Gamble. Many people are fans and followers of the actress. Her dramatic talent, gorgeous appearance, and upbeat demeanor personality, Sofia, despite her youth, is regarded as a rising star in her field and more, as well as more significant acting chances as they develop over time. Sofia is not the role she portrays, despite what you would think is actually quite clumsy and is not very properly staged. She is fearful, insecure, and prepared to accept her flaws. She will be seen in the innovative new Rem. On the other hand, the New York City production business supermarché was found by Ariel, Rel Skolman, and Henry Joost, a directorial duo and best friends. At the 2010 Sundance Film Festival, their first major documentary, Catfish, had its debut. They are executive producers of the MTV program that it inspired, which also gave birth to a new word in Webster's dictionary. The opening weekend of their second film, Paranormal Activity 3, continues to be the best grossing horror opening weekend ever. A Brief History of John Baldessari, which has Tom Waits as a narrator, and has screened at more than 100 film festivals worldwide, was directed by Henry and Rel, along with a number of other commercials and short films. The Time Magazine Best Commercial of the Year was their Dear Sophie Google ad. Their Vogue Magazine short films, which starred Lenny Dunham, Margot Robbie, and Ellie Fanning, have received over 15 million views. The Monkey Wrench Gang, an adaptation of Edward Abbey's novel produced by Ed Pressman and Gary Burden, is one of many film and television projects that Henry and Rel have written and are attached to helm. Moving on, Henry Joost and Sofia Delia seek serious buyers for Brooklyn Penthouse. Filmmaker Henry Joost is not catfishing. His wonderful and small apartment is located in the lovely and historic Brooklyn Heights district of New York, and he is truly looking for a serious buyer. The 2-bedroom, 1-bath river and city view area, which was once advertised for just under $2 million, is now available for $1.85 million. The listing is held by Robert Skolman and Jeremy Cam, both of Coldwell Banker Warburg. According to tax records, Joost, the director of several Paranormal Activity films, as well as the influential documentary Catfish from 2010 and its long-running TV spin-off series of the same name, paid $1.65 million for the penthouse in 2016. Just before he started dating Sofia Delia, the star of Single Drunk Female, he paid $300,000 more than the asking price. Joost and Delia got married last fall. She has worked professionally on The Mick and Gossip Girl, among other shows. The 2-bedroom and 1-bath penthouse is located atop the Remsen, a landmark pre-war full-service cooperative apartment building constructed in 1929 and formerly used as a hotel. It is just off bustling Monte Street and a little more than a block from the Brooklyn Heights promenade and the numerous waterfront leisure and recreation options at Brooklyn Bridge Park. A lavish lobby with full-time doorman can be found behind the grandiose, Romanesque facade, and when you exit the elevator on the top floor, the entrance door will open to a modest yet elegant foyer. Honey-colored wood flooring runs throughout the flat, which features a living room with a wood-burning fireplace and an antique mantel, a raised eating nook with windows, and a modest but modern and cleverly designed kitchen. The little space is kept neat thanks to numerous built-ins and a walk-in closet that is specially designed. The 350 square foot west-facing terrace, which provides expansive sunset views of the New York Harbor and the skyline of downtown Manhattan, is directly accessible from both of the bedrooms, which flank the main living area. A tiny terrace outside the kitchen that faces east is ideal for planting herbs, storing wood for the stove, and/or observing the sunrise. Pets and pied-à-terres are welcome at the Remsen, and ads state that cable and utilities are included in the monthly maintenance fee, which in this case is $2,171 for the penthouse. But because washers or dryers are not allowed, the housekeeper must carry the laundry down to the building's basement shared washing facility. Joost has a second residence at the Remsen, a studio apartment that she purchased 4 years ago for $435,000 and is now listed for sale at $450,000. According to tax records, the newlyweds have also upgraded to a $4.15 million condo in nearby Cobble Hill. The newly purchased high-floor home, which according to marketing papers belongs to the couple, has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms but no patio of its own. However, it does include a private parking space, which is highly sought after and a common feature. The listing agent of the sale is Robert A. Scullman of Warburg Realty Partnership Limited. Robert has approximately 20 years of experience as a real estate broker in New York City and has been one of Warburg's top performers for the past 15 years. He specializes in expensive homes with prices between $500,000 and $50 million. In addition to selling rental properties, he has also sold lofts, condos, coupes, and townhomes. From the Upper East Side to the Upper West Side and from the Village to Tribeca, he conducts business. Robert's abilities in working with clients include his industry knowledge, as well as his instincts and interpretative talents. His interests outside of real estate include yoga, the arts, especially on-point dance, and playing a key role in his kids' film production company. He has 33 years of experience in the real estate industry. He had involvement in practically every facet of the sector. Started as a construction worker, spent 15 years working for a developer or owner of office buildings, and eventually became a part owner of the business. Participated in the construction of 20 buildings, and managed a portfolio of more than 30 properties. Additionally constructed was a luxury gated residential complex with 44 homes. For the subsequent 20 years, I worked as a real estate broker, specializing in areas like Manhattan, Westchester, and Eastern Long Island. His area of expertise as a real estate broker is comprehending the art of negotiating. Of course, finding the right buyer for a property or the right buyer for a seller are essential elements of a transaction. But successfully negotiating is a real art form with several intricacies and nuances. This is where he excels the most. Let me review again the details of the house for you to keep in mind. Penthouse 11B at 70 Remsen Street is like a vacation every day. A private terrace with expansive views of Manhattan's downtown and the NYC harbor is accessible directly from your bedroom. Every night from your elevated eating nook, take in the sunset. As the owner of one of Brooklyn's Heights' most distinctive apartments, you can unwind by the wood-burning fireplace there. The crown jewel of the Remsen is a top floor, 2-bedroom penthouse apartment in a pre-war full-service co-op that is quite difficult to find. The promenade, the new Brooklyn Bridge Park, the recently renovated recreational waterfront piers, the shops and restaurants on Montague Street, and the many public transportation options that will take you to Manhattan in 10 minutes are all conveniently located nearby. The apartment is also perfectly situated on renowned Remsen Street. Every room has a view of the harbor and perfect seclusion because it is surrounded by the freshly refurbished 350 square foot water-facing terrace. Split bedrooms or a bedroom with an office in it provide complete flexibility. Stainless steel equipment and granite workshops are used in the open kitchen. There is plenty of storage space and a sizable California walk-in closet in the unit. The Remsen, constructed in 1929, is an architecturally noteworthy landmark site for historical walk-in tours due to its unusual front. It even has a second outside terrace off the kitchen that is great for storing fireplace wood or a herb garden. Your mail or packages are held by the concierge or doorman and given to you when you enter if there is a full-time doorman and a superintendent. There is a bike room and a laundry room in the basement. Large deliveries can easily enter through a service entry. 1% flip tax is paid by the buyer. Utilities and cable are part of maintenance. Dryers and washers are prohibited. If you want to invest in this house, now is the time to do it. The market is still strong, and there are many houses available for sale. You can find your dream home by looking online or calling a real estate agent. If you're interested in purchasing a property, make sure to get pre-approved by your lender. This will help you determine how much money you need to invest and avoid any delays in the process. The market is still stable and prices are still low. You can also invest in property that's in a good location. If you're not sure what you want, you can hire a real estate agent to help you find the perfect home. Buying a home is an important decision that you will never regret. We understand that and want to help you make the best decision for your needs. That is why we offer our services as a home buying advisor. We can provide you with information on different types of homes and help you find the right one for you. We can also help you negotiate prices and terms and connect you with local professionals who can help with the entire process. So if you're interested in buying a home, we are here to help. We hope that our video has helped you find a home. We have spent a lot of time and effort creating it, and we want you to be able to find the perfect one. We would also love to hear your feedback, so please leave a comment below or on the video. We want to make sure that you have the best experience possible when looking for a new place to live, and we will continue to offer quality videos in the future. And that's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we have delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you will start to see results. See you soon.